Hey guys, you're on the Hapstone channel. My name's Mario, and today we're going to talk about an accessory that's really underrated by our sharpeners. This is a 10x magnification loupe with LED lighting, which is a must-have accessory for any sharpener. This loupe comes in a hard case, which protects it well. Also, the body of the loupe itself is made of anodized aluminum. We have K9 optical glass with markings on it. A charger is included in the kit, charging via Type-C. We have two-level lighting, we have a regular LED light, and we have ultraviolet lighting, and a complete light shutoff if you have your own lighting. So this way we can check the scratch pattern, check if we've removed the burrs, and look at the edge deformation. The body, as I said before, is made of anodized aluminum. Plus, this loupe can be placed directly against the knife. Why? Because the glass is slightly recessed into the loupe body itself. So when we want to see our result, we can bring the loupe right up to the cutting edge. So in some cases, you can use visualization with your face a bit further away, or you can take a slightly closer look. The markings make it possible to determine, for example, the size of the damage to the cutting edge. Control your sharpening thanks to the loupe from the Hapstone company. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel. Mario was with you.